Good morning, students. Continuation of chapter The Delhi Sultanate. In previous class, we discussed about the slave dynasty. Today, we will discuss about the Khalji dynasty. Students, we have already discussed about the Delhi Sultanate had 5 dynasties. They were the slave, the Khalji, Tughlaq, the Sayyid and the Lodi dynasties. Among them, the slave, Khalji and Tughlaq dynasties belong from the Turkish origin and the Sayyid and Lodi dynasties of Afghan origin. So, after the slave dynasty, we will discuss about the Khalji dynasty. Let's proceed ahead. As you all know that Balban died in 1286. After his death, a situation of confusion prevailed for some time. In 1290 CE, Jalaluddin overthrew the weak and incapable successor of Balban and captured the throne. In this way, the Khalji dynasty started and the period of Khalji dynasty was 1290 to 1320 CE. Jalaluddin Khalji captured the throne at the age of 70 by murdering the last two successors of Balban. He founded the Khalji dynasty in 1290 CE. He was assisted by his nephew Alauddin in his military expeditions. Alauddin was a very ambitious person. He wanted to become the Sultan. Treacherously murdered his uncle who was coming back after defeating the ruler of Devgiri. Thus, he captured the throne in 1296 CE. The period of Alauddin Khalji was 1296 CE to 1316 CE. Alauddin Khalji was a brave general and a skilled administrator. Like Alexander, he wanted to conquer the whole world. He captured Gujarat, Ranthambore, Chittor, Malwa, Marwar, etc. In the north and Devgiri, Warangal, Madurai and a number of states in the south. To safeguard his sultanate from the invasions, he had a well-trained and well-equipped army. He kept full record of his soldiers to avoid any situations. Soldiers were paid in cash and were given many other facilities. Alauddin didn't allow the nobles or the people to amass money, so he taxed them heavily. He banned the sale and consumption of wine. Is it clear? Alauddin banned the sale and consumption of wine. He also organized an effective and efficient system to control revolts against him. He was the first Muslim ruler who did not tolerate an interference of religious leaders like ulemas and mullahs in his administration. Alauddin is famous for his economic reforms. He fixed the maximum retail price of the goods of daily use. He also introduced grain storage and rationing system. There were different marketplaces for different communities. Severe punishment was given to those who weighed less or cheated the buyers in any way. Market controllers were appointed for strict supervision over the traders. He also reformed the revenue system. Land revenue was fixed according to the size of land holdings. The state's share was fixed at 50% of the total produce. The life of the Hindus was miserable because they had to pay more taxes than the Muslim. Students, do you know when Alauddin came to know about the super beauty of Padmini? She was the queen of Chittor. He wanted to marry her, so he attacked Chittor. He defeated the Rajputs. Queen Padmini and other ladies committed Johar. The story of Padmini, the queen of Rana Ratan Singh of Mewar, was vividly described by Malik Muhammad Jaisi in his epic Padmavat. After ruling for 20 years, Alauddin died in 1316 CE. His successors could not survive only up to 1320 CE. The last ruler of Khalji dynasty was Khusro. He was defeated and murdered by Ghazi Malik, who took the name of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq and became the Sultan in 1320 CE. Today's home assignment: who was the founder of Khalji dynasty? Second, who was the most important ruler of Khalji dynasty? And third, explain briefly the economic reforms of Alauddin Khalji. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.